Afsan Farm Kitchen, a food recipe and nutrition channel for viewers like you.
Calling all food lovers, we're on a culinary journey worldwide and need your help to make it extraordinary. Do you have a favorite cultural recipe that's delicious, healthy, and perfect for busy people on the go? We want to showcase it in our upcoming video series. Whether it's a family tradition, a local favorite, or your creative twist on a classic, we're excited to share the diverse flavors of your kitchen with our community.
Slow-braised lamb shanks recipe ingredients serves 4. Main ingredients: 4 lamb shanks, 2 TBSP olive oil, salt and black pepper, to taste, vegetables and aromatics, 1 large onion finely chopped, 4 garlic cloves, minced 2 carrots, chopped 2 celery stalks, chopped spices needed, 1 TSP turmeric, 1 TSP paprika, 1 TSP ground cumin, 1 to 2 TSP cinnamon, 1 TSP dried thyme or rosemary, 1 pinch saffron, optional but excellent. Liquid needed: 2 TBSP tomato paste, 1 cup crushed tomatoes, 2 cups beef or lamb stock, 1 cup water or red grape juice. Final process: 2 bay leaves, fresh parsley or cilantro for garnish, juice of 1 or 2 lemon, optional. Cooking instructions: 1. Season and sear. Pat the lamb shanks dry. Season generously with salt and pepper. Heat olive oil in a heavy pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Sear lamb shanks on all sides until browned, about 8 to 10 minutes total. Remove and set aside. Browning builds deep flavor. Don't skip this step. 2. Build the flavor base. In the same pot, add onion and cook until golden. Add garlic, carrots, and celery. Cook 3 to 4 minutes. Stir in tomato paste and cook 1 minute to caramelize slightly. 3. And now time to add spices. Add turmeric, paprika, cumin, cinnamon, thyme, and saffron. Stir until fragrant, about 30 seconds. 4. Braise, pour in crushed tomatoes and stock. Add bay leaves. Return the lamb shanks to the pot. The liquid should come halfway up the meat. Bring to a gentle simmer. 5. Slow cook. Choose 1. Oven method. Best. Cover and cook at 325°, 165° for 2.5 to 3 hours. Stovetop cover and simmer very gently for 2 to 2.5 hours. Slow cooker, cook low for 7 to 8 hours. The meat is ready when it nearly falls off the bone. 6. Finish the sauce, remove shanks carefully. Simmer sauce uncovered 10-15 minutes to thicken. Add lemon juice for brightness. Optional. Serving ideas. Serve lamb shanks with the following: saffron rice or basmati rice, mashed potatoes, couscous or bulgur roasted vegetables, warm flatbread, spoon plenty of sauce over the top. Chef's tips: flavor upgrade. Add dried apricots or dates for Persian-style sweetness. A small stick of cinnamon gives a royal aroma. Overnight resting makes the flavor even deeper.